Hello, son. How are you?
Hello, Dad. Not bad. How are you?
I'm doing very well. Today we have a very special situation. We're going to go for a drive in the car.
All right.
All right. So I'm ready. Let me start the engine. Okay, we are ready to go. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, are you buckled in?
Nope.
Oh, that's a very, very good expression. Are you buckled in? Are you buckled in? How could I say in Korean language, are you buckled in?
안전띠 맸어요?
안전 is safety. And D is belt.
Yes.
So 안전띠 is the safety belt. And to connect the safety belt, there is a buckle, right?
Yes.
See, this is the buckle. So, are you buckled in? One more time in Korean.
안전띠 맸어요?
안전띠 맸어요?
Yes.
안전띠 맸어요? Okay, are you buckled in? Well, are you buckled in?
I am now.
Okay. All right, let's begin then. Here we go. We are going to take a little drive. Here we are in Seoul, Korea. And we're going to head up towards the Itaewon area to see what's going on in that neighborhood. We're gonna take some back streets here at first. A little tour through the neighborhood. Oh, these streets are narrow, so anytime cars are coming, you kind of have to give and take a little bit.
Seems like a neighborhood for best drivers.
I hope I qualify as a best driver. Oh, be careful there, mister. Oh, there's a car turning right there. Well, that's not very good. There you go. Go back in. Yeah, we'll have to sneak by here. Oh,
A little bit bumpy.
it is. It's a bumpy road. Yeah, well, that's okay. The car has shocks and good tires. Oh, someone's going to open their door out into oncoming traffic, which is, of course, not very wise. Well, I know that you used to drive around with a scooter. Have you experienced driving a car?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Not too much.
Well, I guess there are some similarities. The laws are pretty much the same for scooter driving and car driving.
Yes.
I think it's easier to die on a scooter, though.
I would say it's a higher probability, yeah.
Okay.
You have a little bit more protection around you inside a car.
That's true, yeah.
Also, I would say it's a little bit more easier to maneuver on a bike, scooter.
Yeah, there's a smaller wheelbase, so you could turn in smaller areas. That's true. But in wintertime, being on the scooter, that might be very cold.
Oh yeah, it's very, very cold. Also, I like that there's a reverse gear in cars.
Ah, yes.
Reverse in bikes is your legs.
Yeah, you have to walk it back, huh? Now, we're not out on the highway. However, even though we are driving through the city, there are speed limits. So I'm going to have to be a little bit careful.
Yeah.